Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I want to show you how to remove the right front mirror marker lens. It's going to be super easy. I can do it, you can do it too. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so here we go. Safety first, okay? This is very basic, but you always want to be safe. You want to wear eye protection, hand protection, okay? This right here is glass, so you want to be super careful. I like to use something like painter's tape, or pretty much any kind of tape will actually work. Painter's tape's great because it comes off very easily. But what this is going to do is when we're pulling on the glass or the mirror, if God forbid something ends up breaking or cracking or chipping, hopefully this is going to protect it or protect us from the pieces coming off and potentially hurting us, okay? This is super important. You want to make sure that you're safe, all right? Next, what we're going to do, we're just going to grab our glass, tilt it up, grab from the bottom, pull it out like that, and then it slides right out. What happens is you've got this right here, those hold on to that. Right up here, there should be little hooky-doos that go underneath here. This one's actually missing them apparently, but it also has the little clips that go along the sides right here into there. So it's got pretty much everything except for the little hooky-doos. Okay, so now we've got some screws. We're going to go one right here, one right up here, and one right inside there. We'll take those out first. Okay. That's what the screw looks like. The other one's going to come out in a minute, but okay, getting it to separate. There we are. There's a little tab right here. You just squeeze on that, lift it right up. There's our other screws, still kind of in there. I'll just pop them out. Actually, I'll leave them in. That'll make it easier to get them back together. We'll set this aside and move ahead to the next step. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, let's get our bulb out of the way. Now's a great time to check it. You can see the filament in there. It still looks good. This is a 194 NA, which just means that it's the amber bulb, 194. We'll set that aside. We've got another Phillips head screw right here. We'll set that aside. Right along here, there's a little clip. It's the same color as this. You just push it off to the side while lifting out on the motor. Just like that. That one. That just gives us a little bit of slack right up here. Now I'm going to grab onto this lens. Okay, so that gets it pretty close, but we need to go a little bit further, all right? There's another screw right back here. Looks the same as all the rest. Set it aside. There we go. Okay, so should be able to, is there one more screw here? That should be all of them. Got one right here. Let's see if that'll make a difference. Oh yeah, that makes a big difference. Just take that out as far as we need to be able to get this out. And here's our marker lens on the right front mirror. Okay, now it's time to get this reinstalled. Just gonna go in pretty much the same way as we came out. In like this. Set it into where it wanted to be. It's there for a long time, it's happy there. Okay, sits right up along the top hole up here, not this bottom one. Right up there. And then this right here, it's gonna go right there. Okay, let's grab some screws. I'm gonna tighten this one up. So we've got this one, get this one in. We're just screwing into plastic here, so we don't need to go too tight. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put this in now while it's easy to get to. Clicks in. Okay, we're gonna leave this one out for now, and this one out for now, because that's where the front plate screws into. Here, here. Got our assembly. Just slide it over. There we are. Hole, hole, hole. Just gonna start them in. Once they're all started, that'll be when I go ahead and tighten them down. Okay, all three. Go ahead and snug them up. There we are. That cracking sound was actually just the sound of the click locking in right here. Okay. That feels good. Grab our safety glasses again. All right, so now to install the glass, what you would want to do, if your glass itself has the little hooky doos right here, there should be 2 of them. If yours does have that, you need to put the top in first, which I'm going to do anyway. Just like that. So essentially the hooks are going to go inside here. And then once they're inside where they're happy, I'm just gonna, this would be easier if it did have the hooks. Just go ahead and push the glass. Cool. There we are. I'll go ahead and remove this tape. Let's see. Bring that over. Off we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.